In this tutorial, I'll guide you on how to make Elevenlabs yell. If you find this tutorial useful, consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Your support encourages us to continue creating high-quality content. Sometimes, during voiceover, to create urgency and emphasize key points, ensuring important messages are heard amidst distractions, you might want to use the yelling feature in Elevenlabs Voices. To begin, start by crafting the dialogue you want to be spoken, keeping it within quotation marks. For example, let's take the phrase, "Did you really say that?"
Did she really say that?
and ensure that the word "really" is emphasized with capitalization.
Did she really say that?
Next, use a hyphen to connect this phrase with the command specifying the manner of speech, such as "she shouted." Here's how it should be formatted. "Did you really say that?" she shouted. Now, let's listen to how this sounds initially.
Did she really say that? She shouted.
After playback, we'll adjust the settings to refine the voice. Initially, the emphasis might not come through as strongly as intended. However, by adjusting the clarity and similarity enhancement settings, typically around 55%, we can achieve the desired effect. Now, you can hear the increased emphasis and intensity in the voice.
Did she really say that? She shouted.
For further refinement, consider increasing the clarity and similarity enhancement by an additional 15%, fine-tuning it to perfectly match your requirements. By experimenting with these settings, you can achieve precisely the voice you envision for your project.
Did she really say that? She shouted.
That's the process for creating a voice in Elevenlabs. I hope this video has been helpful. If you found this information useful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Explore a diverse array of tutorials and resources across various subjects on MediaMagnetGuide.com.